We all know that Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. We've all heard the basics. Red rocks, giant dust storms, and maybe, just maybe, some frozen water. We dream about colonizing it, sending people there, making it a second home. But did you know that Mars is hiding immense secrets? Strange, unexplained phenomena, clues about a past that might be very different from the barren wasteland we see today. Because millions of years ago, Mars was not the Mars we know. Mars was once a blue planet. Billions of years ago, it had rivers, lakes, even an entire ocean covering its northern hemisphere. It rained, it had clouds, and for at least a few 100 million years, it was warm enough for liquid water to flow freely. If life ever existed beyond Earth, Mars is one of the best places to look. The color of Mars? Rust. Its soil is packed with iron, which reacted with oxygen millions of years ago, covering the planet in a fine layer of iron oxide, what we call rust. But here's the strange part. Where did all that oxygen come from? Mars has a colossal canyon system that makes the Grand Canyon look tiny. Valles Marineris stretches over 4,000 kilometers. That's the width of the United States. If you stood on one edge, you wouldn't even see the other side. Mars' sunsets are blue. On Earth, we see golden sunsets because our atmosphere scatters blue light away. But on Mars, it's the opposite. The fine dust in the air absorbs red light and scatters blue, so as the sun dips below the horizon, the sky glows in an eerie blue hue, a Martian twilight. Mars is leaking methane. That's huge because on Earth, most methane comes from living things, and on Mars it appears in bursts, spiking and vanishing for reasons we don't yet understand. If Mars had rivers, lakes and rain, then could it have had forests? Probably not. The atmosphere was always too thin for large plants. Does it rain on Mars? Not anymore. But once, Mars had clouds, rain, even snow. Today, tiny snowflakes of dry ice, frozen carbon dioxide, still fall at the poles.